Hello. Good morning, everyone. Am I audible to you? Please let me know in the chat box. A very good morning to all of you. Welcome to the session. Today we are going to cover most interesting topics, graphic designing. Okay, and also we'll review your assignments as well. So, how many of you like graphic designing, creating social media posts, and everything? Okay, so we will wait for 5 more minutes so that people can join the session. Okay, and in between, if you have any doubts or something, you can ask me. Okay, so today's session will be very much practical. Okay, in which you will see how I design creatives and how you can also design creatives for yourself or anyone or brands. Okay, or for your own personal brand. Okay, and yes, so how many of you are excited? Type yes in the chat box. Awesome, everyone. Awesome, Mahalakshmi, Soumya, Asmita. Okay. Okay, so there are people still joining in, so let them come. For the time being, you all have submitted your assignment. Let me share my screen and review your assignment as well. Okay. Okay. Okay, so are you guys able to see my screen? Yes or no? In the chat box, you can let me know. Are you guys able to see my screen? Awesome, guys. Awesome. Okay. So let's start the session. Uh, so first of all, let me review all of your submissions. Mhm. All right. So this is we have the last class, and okay, so Umang, starting with Umang. Umang has shared this his page, okay, and his page Umang was okay, fine. Okay, always remember that whenever you create a name, okay, always use capital letter. If there are two words, then use capital letters, okay, in both of the two words. Then it looks more good, okay. Okay, Ingenious Art. This is a group made by someone. Okay, I don't know the name actually right now. So Ingenious Art. Never use this kind of name. Okay, Ingenious dot arts 35. Okay, see, group name can be chosen. It's not a username that you have to choose specifically. Okay, so you can use like Ingenious Arts. That's it. Okay, Ingenious Artist. Okay, so that type of group you can do. Okay, now Ingenious Art, this is a page. Okay, also here also ingenious.arts 35 is not a very good name. You can use Ingenious Arts. That's it. Okay, all right, so moving ahead, Ingenious Art 35, again this username is not very good. Okay, Ingenious Art dot 35. If you can get a username without numbers, okay, then it's fine, like ingenious.art. Okay. Okay, and also let me see the bio. Artist, student, thinker, positive believer. Being an artist is the same as being wizard. Happy, sad, depressed, keep drawing. लिख my ठीक है, but इसमें you have to use the emojis before. Okay, don't never use two emojis. Okay, why use two emojis and that two same? Do not use duplicate. Okay, so you have just mentioned your address here. Okay, you also have to mention like what for whom you provide tuition classes, like for graduation, post graduation, school people 6 to 12 kg nursery or what. Okay, so keep it a little bit brief. Tutor ABCS. Okay, so you can come up with a good name here also, and you have not written your bio. So whoever it is, please look into that. And this is page. Okay, tutors ABCS. Okay, okay, this is looking like a, this is a profile, guy. This is a profile. This is not a Facebook page. Okay, so there's a difference between a Facebook page and Facebook profile. So this is not a Facebook profile. Okay, so not very good. Now this Asmita. Okay, Asmita is art attack. It's fine. Username is fine. Loves creativity. Self-taught artist. Painting, calligraphy, mandala. Yeah, everything is fine here. This is good. Okay, Umash. This is good name. It look like a clothing brand name or art name. Okay, this is good. Okay, this page name is good. Okay, okay, Manjiri Pandey. Okay, you can come up with a good username, Manjiri Pandey. There's a lot of underscore, dot, and numbers are there. Okay, so come up with a good username. Okay, Ranbir Kapoor fan club. This name, this group is fine, name is fine. Okay, also use capital letters in every words. Okay, so that it looks good. Okay, okay, Adira. Okay, this is good. Okay, you also have to use the capital uh, word in the capital letter in the your surname. Okay, and also use a DP. Okay, Aditya. Okay, two people. Okay, Aditya. Okay, main account Aditya.Dikshit Art Aura. Fine. Okay. Yeah, everything is fine. You have to use emojis as well, and everything is fine. Art Aura. Art Aura. This is good. Okay, page name is good. Logo is good. Background is good. Okay. So the artistic pod. Okay, that's a very good name. Okay, you come up with. Uh, Everything's fine here. Group is good. Miracle of nature. Okay, so whenever, now that you have created your Facebook page, now you have created your Facebook group as well. Okay, explore these settings. Okay, explore all these settings that it provides. Okay, so whenever you explore settings, you will get to know about more features of a Facebook page and Facebook group. Okay, so give time. Okay, travelism. Okay, that's a very good name, travelism. Okay, awesome. The username is also good. You also have to work upon your bio. Okay, like travel around the world comfortably. This is very generic. Okay, wonder of mathematics. Oh, so okay. So always use capital letters in first characters. Fine. Okay, mathematics lovers. Here also create capital letter in your second word. Everything is fine. Then angel dot rhymes is fine. Why you're choosing a name like a username? Angel dot rhymes. Okay, so there should no dot in between. Okay, because it's a name, na, brand name. That's why we are not. Uh, all right. Okay, Lavi Singh student. That's fine. Okay, pursuing BTech ECE, fine. System. Okay, so if you're talking about video, then you can use a video emoji here, image emoji here. Research intern at IIT, you can use a microscope emoji here. Internet DRDO, so these are two different things. Then you can put it in a separate line. DM for work, LinkedIn, this good. Okay, do not mention LinkedIn, that because in the bio itself, the link itself is saying that this is a LinkedIn link. Okay, Bombay Blaster, same mistake. Use the capital character in the second word. Okay, Mumbai Indians, use space between both words. Okay, so I guess I have covered all of your assignments. Okay, let's see some pages. Okay, okay, Lavi. Okay, okay. So if we see someone pages like Mumbai Indians. Okay, this page is not available. Why? Okay. mathematics lover. Let's see this page. Okay, so let's open this. All right, so this is Facebook page, mathematics lover, and if we go about it, about section, then you have to mention all the things that that necessary information that you already have. Okay, so I guess you got the point of creating a Facebook page. Why we create Facebook page? Because when we advertise it, there's a Facebook page is must. Okay, we cannot brand ourselves without having a Facebook page. Okay, either by your name or your personal brand, or anyone brands. Okay, so every company, every brand has their Facebook page. Okay, and later they build a community so that they have a Facebook group. Okay, so for example, I have this Facebook group which I have named as Digital Marketing Explorers. Okay, and it has now 395 members. Okay, so the reason I have created this group is that I can share valuable stuff to people, and they can easily get to know about me and what I do, and my expertise. Okay, and I always post things related to digital marketing and engage them. Okay, like sharing some kind of meme, some kind of insights. Okay, so whatever I know, so I share things here. So you can also join this group if you are not a part of it yet. I will share the link in the chat. It's chat itself. Okay, so if you are not a part of this group, please be a part, and you can also ask your question doubts here as well after this training period gets over also. Okay, so I will be there to cater your questions for a longer period of time. Okay, so this is the purpose of group. Okay, and I've created this image, this cover image with Canva. Okay, so I've created this group with Canva only. So I will also teach you today that how I design creatives. Although I'm not a professional designer, okay, but I design pretty good. Okay, so I will also show you like how uh, you can also be a good at design, and how you have to use of like if you tool Canva. Okay, so let's get started. If you are ready, just type ready in the chat box. Ready. READY. Type ready in the chat box. So that I will start. Awesome. So how many of you are ready? So I can see Lavi, Asmita, Aditya, Mahalakshmi, Kasis, Adira. Everyone is now ready. So let's start the session. Okay. So Canva is. So first of all, let me share you a mind map first before we proceed to the designing. Okay. Okay. So where it is. I will also give you a I will also give you a PDF file in which I have shared valuable how to create creatives guide by that I've created for you people. Chances are that if you are reading this, oh, okay, so the purpose of creating graphics is that to spread our message to our audience. Okay, whether you are creating personal brand or growth for your business, you have to create content no matter what you like it or not, whether you do it for yourself or somebody else do it for you. You have to create creatives. Okay, now why should you create graphics? Because it is easy to digest, easy to engage, easy to share. Picture speaks more than words, more impact on audience. That's why we need graphic content. Okay, now if you want to make a career in designing, then you must learn industry standard tools. Okay, now for example, many of you are maybe like, I only want to go into designing part. Then you have to learn these tools. These are core industry tools: Adobe Illustrator, Adobe Photoshop, Adobe InDesign, and Corel Draw. Okay, but here I will not talk about much how you can design from scratch, and I will not teach you like these softwares, because it will take many month time in getting trained in this and these softwares. Okay, but I will show you a way how you can create still you can create awesome graphics. Okay, the way I did, but let's start with, okay, So you, I guess you all are aware of what are pixels. Okay, height, width. We in any image we have its height and width in pixels. Okay, these are kind of ratios, that 1:1 is a square image, 4:3 is like one width is longer than the length. Okay, so these are the kind of ratio of images. Okay, now there are some tools. Okay, like Canva, Trello, Artboard Studio, Smart Mockups, AutoDraw, Glorify, Boxshot, Designer. Okay, so these are similar tools in which you have to drag and drop the elements and you have to create the graphics. Okay, so above are some web-based tool. These are web-based tool. It means you do not have to install any software. You just have to go to a browser and do the editing. Okay, and using these tools you can create these type of creatives like Facebook video, Instagram post, story post, cover images, thumbnail, YouTube thumbnail, LinkedIn banner, Tumblr, and you can also create PPT presentation and everything. Okay, I will share this PDF with you. Okay, and you can create logo, email header, invitation card, Facebook ad. Okay, and these are some additional tools that I have mentioned. Okay, and you can get copyright free images from these website. For example, if you need to create if you need a additional image, then you can go to pixabay.com. Okay, so there you can just search a keyword, like see, as you can see, uh, many many are all many images are already shared. That if I want to line images, that is that is free of copyright. It means that I can use it for my business purpose. Okay, and nobody can sue me that why I've used this image. Okay, for example, is to stock images. There are many websites like Unsplash and Pexels. Okay, so there are very similar website where you can download images. Okay, so just you have to just search your keywords like microphone. If you want a microphone image, as you can see, this microphone image can show up. Okay, and very high quality images you can create in your you can create via this. Okay, so first of all you have to go to this website. Let me sign out. You have to go to this website canva.com. Okay, and then you have to create your account, login either with Google, Facebook, Apple, or you can just sign up with a new email ID and password. Okay, then you have to log in with your email ID credentials. Okay, so this is the interface that you will see after you will logged in into your account. Okay, so as you can see, these are some pre-made template are already shared with us. Okay, pre-made templates are already shared with us, and if I click on this Instagram post, if I have to create an Instagram post, so the best size for Instagram post is 1080 into 1080. Okay, for a logo it's 500 into 500 pixels. Okay, photo collage, Instagram story, poster, and everything related to A4 document. You want to create a flyer, desktop wallpaper, infographics, business card, invitation, menu. So whatever you have to create, okay, there is a template available in the Canva. How good is that, right? Now in the as you can see, the trending education templates are there. You can also create your own resume here. Just see this resume is how beautiful is this resume. Just see, and you do not have to be a pro in designing that. You just have to go to this change the numbers or details here, and it will be yours. Fine, it will be yours. Can you see, like how many of you already know about this tool Canva, and how many of you already have used? Just type me in the chat box if you have used. If you have not, just type no. Okay, Asmita has used. Okay, so okay, awesome. Many of you. Umang has not used. Okay. Okay, Lavi has a little bit used. Okay, fine. Okay, awesome. So many of you are already familiar with it. That's great. Okay, but today I will show you not used. Okay, okay, fine. So start using from today itself. I will give you an assignment today on this tool only. Now let's start with a blank canvas. Okay, and let us create an Instagram post. Okay, and before creating the Instagram post, let us figure out all the options available on the Canva. Fine. So those who have not used will also get a familiarity with this tool. Okay, so now that I've chosen to create an Instagram post, okay, there are already many templates available. Okay, there are many templates available. So what you have to do, for example, if you have to create a post for food, okay, food related post, just type your just go to templates, search in your keywords, and just boom. Okay, and this creative is ready. This creative is ready, and you just have to change the text here. Okay, and number here, and everything is ready. Okay, so I guess this is the easiest way that you can create a creative. Now for example, now you will say that how can I design from scratch? Okay, how can I get that mm, creativity outside of me? Okay, so what happened is when you will start, okay, you do not have that much experience, or you do not know what the color combination you should use and everything. Okay, so in the beginning always use templates. In the beginning always use templates, so that you get an idea that how why these templates are looking beautiful. Okay, so in the starting always use templates in Canva and modify it for yourself. Okay, for example, if this is a creative. Okay, now what you can do is you can upload your images here. Okay, you can upload your images, like if I, for example, this I can go to this and just posted this here, or like I can choose another images. Here is an option of photos. Okay, so for example, I want to use this image, so I just have to drag and drop, and this images is here. Okay, got new promotion. Okay, and here you can choose the you can just change the text, change the icons and everything. Okay, and how you get these icons, you have to go to elements. Okay, there, as you can see, there are many shapes are available. Okay, there are many shapes are available that you can use. Okay, for example, if you want to use this thing, okay, then you can choose this, and then you can change its color. Okay, okay, this is good. So these are the elements like line, graphics and everything, and you can also search like for example, if you want to use a mouse. Okay, so see this, the mouse is mouse element is here. Okay, and whatever element you want, you can just search and you will get it here. Okay, and if you do not get it here, then you can upload from externally, like if you want to upload any external image, then you can upload it here as well. Okay, so just see this, you can do whatever you want. Okay, but I will also show you like how to create from scratch. Okay, how to take design inspiration and how you can create from scratch. And first of all, let me show you some of my creatives that I've created using Canva only. There's no professional designing or something. Okay, that I do. Okay, okay, so let me share you this creative. Okay, so this is the creative that I've created for education website. Okay, let me download it and then show you. Okay, so here you can download the PNG file. Okay, PNG file is the best resolution for any graphic. Okay, so I hope you guys now are able to see this creative on your screen. Okay, just see this, what I have done. This is the creative that I created from scratch, and these are the creatives are can easily be using Canva. Okay, okay, so this is a second creative that I have created for this education website, and I will show you like how I've created this. Can you guys let me know this, which one is good, which one is looking good to you? The first one, this is the first one, this is the second one. Type in the chat box your favorite one, which is looking good to you. Okay, you like second. Okay, all right. Okay, so study material MPPS main paper wise looks good to you all. Awesome. Okay, so just think about this. I'm not a designer or something, but still I am able to create this. Okay, and also let me show you another other graphics of mine. Okay, for example, if you have visited my YouTube channel, okay, the whenever I share the replay of recordings, replay of sessions, you see all the thumbnails. Okay, so all the thumbnails here, all the thumbnails are created by using Canva only. So just see this. So in background there's the image and there's a gradient of bluish color, and here is my image. Okay, and I've used a box, and then I've used a dark rectangle here, then I like devil. Okay, so this is how I created this all the thumbnails of my videos. Okay, so to maintain consistency in all the thumbnails of a series, I have used this thing. Okay, now let me show you. Mhm. Let me show you some Instagram page for which I create creatives sometime. Okay. So Yuctex is a brand which deals in agriculture. Okay, and this creative is created by me. Just see this, the simplicity of this creative. Okay, there is nothing fancy in it, but still the creative looks good and decent. Okay, so you can create these type of creatives with Canva. This is also created using Canva only. Okay, this is also I guess like this can be also created using Canva only. This is the one I created using Canva. Okay, so just see this, this is the actual creative here. Okay, let's see this creative, and this is the actual post. Okay, this is a creative. So I've used four elements of frame photos, like here as you can see. If you go to frames, then you can choose, there are multiple types of frames that you can use. So I've used this one and put all the images, and then I have go to elements and search for chat box. Okay, chat box, these white elements are chat boxes. So I've used these chat boxes and then fill up with the white space and written the text. That's it. Okay, let me also show you more of the creatives. These creatives are also created using Canva. Okay, these are also created using Canva. Okay, this is the created not created using Canva. This is created by Illustrator. Okay. Okay, let me show you more of it. This creative, how Yuktix helping in tomato yield in production. This creative is created using Canva only. I have created this. Okay, and if I show you, its original. Okay, its original is like here only in these topics only. Okay. Okay. So let me show you my LinkedIn profile as well. The background cover image is also created using Canva only. So what I'm showing you is the possibility of creativity that you can implement through Canva. Okay. So the background cover, so background image of my LinkedIn cover is created using Canva. Let me show you its original design. So this is the original design. Okay. So this is where I have chosen a background image. Okay, and then some elements. Okay, this world map is an element. Okay, these are some text. Okay, and behind text I've used a blue rectangle. Okay, so as you can see, this is purely created on Canva. Okay, how many like do you like how many of you like this creative? Is it good? Do you think it is in first when you first saw this, it is possibly created using Canva? Awesome. Okay. Okay, awesome, awesome. Okay, so let me show you another set of creatives too also. So as you can see, I have created I have created hundreds of creatives for people in the last year when I started digital marketing. But when I started, I was not good. I was not this good. Okay, so what I used to do is I used to design crappy designs and everything. Okay, but still, when you work on it more, like for example, no, no, I started in the year 2019. I started in the year 2019. Mm, Today I will show you like how you can create a creative like this. It's just a bit, just a second. See, what happens in graphic designing. Yes, I work with Yuktix. Yes. Okay, so just see this. Okay. So today I will show you how you can create this creative. Okay. Sorry. Okay. Do you how many of you guys like this creative? How many of you like this creative? This creative. Just tell me, and I will show you how you can design this in Canva. It's good, right? So how many of you want me to design it from scratch? How many of you want to me to design it from scratch on Canva so that you can see the design process? Okay. Awesome. Okay. So what I will do is I will design from scratch. Okay, and you will see the whole designing process. But guys, never ever when you are into designing, always take inspiration. Okay, see the creatives and try to replicate the design. Try to replicate the design. What I'm saying is that never ever start building creatives from scratch. Okay, always take inspiration. Okay, and replicate the design. Okay, and when you replicate the design, you will get to know more about it. Fine. So let's start on this, and I will create a similar creative like this. Okay, and I already have created similar creative like this. Let me show you. As you can see, this is the creative I have created for Yuktis, and taken inspiration from this creative only. I've taken inspiration from this creative and I created this creative. Fine. So it is not like that it is exactly the creative, but you can take inspiration from other creatives and add some elements to your likings. Okay, and so this is the end result I have created, and this creative. Fine. So I will also I will today I will replicate this particular creative for you, and you will see the design process, like how do I element search and everything. Okay, and always remember, try to replicate the design. Do not build from scratch. Okay, because if you are a not experienced designer, you will be not able to design good. Okay, so you need some practice. It is all about practice. Okay, so this add creative is in square. Okay, so what I will do is I will choose a Instagram post size, because Instagram post size are in square size. Okay, So this is our blank, blank creative. Okay. So this is the blank creative. Now what I will do is, okay. Okay. So, as you can see, background is white. So background is white. Okay. And text color is black. Okay. So now I have to use a professional image, like someone like this person, okay, like Ankur Wariko. And if you guys are in 20s, always follow this person, okay, on his YouTube channel, Instagram. He shares really good content for people in 20s, okay. So if you are in 20s, then please follow this guy, okay. He's awesome, okay. I guess you already maybe already be knowing him, right? How many of you all already know him and consume his content over social media? If you are not, then please follow. Okay. So okay. Hmm. Yeah, Ankur Warikoo, yeah. So I will close other tabs, and this is our goal. Okay. Now what I will do is I will search for a uh, I will go to this website, stock images, Pixabay. Okay. Then I will get a person image. Okay. Like professional man. Okay. Let's take this person image. Okay. So this is Pixabay, and from Pixabay you can download any images. Okay. So you can just do this and download the image. Okay. Now this image has this white background, okay, but the Ankur Warikoo do not have the white background, okay. So we want a transparent image of this person, okay. So there is a website known as remove.bg, okay. So we will go to this website and we will upload this download image onto this, drag and drop, okay, and this tool will remove the background for us. So as you can see, this tool is very good, and this has removed the background, and now you can see the background is removed perfectly from the edges and everywhere, okay. Now we will upload this transparent image here on the Canva, okay. So okay, so this image is downloaded, and just a second. Okay, fine. So now we have downloaded this image. Now what we have to do is, now the image part is sorted, right? Now the image part is sorted, right? Okay. Now we have to create this yellow line. Okay. So how can we create this yellow line? This is easy. Okay. So just we have to just search for line. Okay. So when you search for line, you have to search for a this line. Okay. Now we have got this line, and then we can increase its weight. Okay. This is how you can increase the width of the line. So we will place it here. Okay. And then we will increase its length. Okay. And as you can see, this has yellow line, yellow color. So just do this. Okay, this is yellow now. Okay. And the image that we have uploaded, this transparent image, now we can flip this image. We can flip this image like this. Okay. Now do this. Okay. And now what I can say is, there is the complete guide to starting up. So the place where it is written that the place where it is written that the complete guide to starting up, what we have to use is okay. Okay, so the complete guide to starting up has the behind banner is something like this. Okay, so we have to use some other elements. Okay. Okay, so what we can do it here is, okay, okay. This is the, so, and behind Ankur you can see building images are there, right? So let's search a building image. Okay, Canva has also provided this section, photos. Here you can search buildings. So this looks good. Okay, now you can just choose the appropriate dimension that you want to, and click on this image, and go to position and send it backwards. Okay, now that this image is in backward position, now as you can see, the image behind the image behind the Ankur Warikoo has this dark color. Okay, this dark opacity. Okay, now we will click on this image and we will go to transparency. Now we will use transparency. Okay, or what you can do is let the image be like this, and we will go to elements, and we will go for a square. Okay, now we get this square image, and we will use it over accordingly and place it over the image. Okay, backward. Okay, now that we have put this rectangle over the image, and we will decrease the transparency. Okay, and we will choose the color. Now it is selected as a gray, we will choose as black. Okay, so that this person image comes very brightly. Okay, and also Canva give this feature of shadows. Okay, so what I will do is I will use the shadow feature, and shadow is here right now. Okay, so this is done. Okay, now let us see what we are missing out. So Ankur Warikoo head is on top of the yellow line. Okay, so what we will do is we will keep this person head over the uh, over the uh, over the yellow line. So this is good. Okay, let's make it big, and then we will use a text. Okay, now we will choose heading. Okay, see, choosing font which looks good, it's like it's up to you. For example, we will say this name is Michael Ramesh. Okay, so so the font color is now white, so we will do it black. Okay, see, the font is not very good right now. Okay, so what we will do is we will change the font. Okay, so there are some fonts that I like Poppins. Okay, so if you if you have any questions or something, you can ask me in between. Okay, so there's no issues like that you cannot ask. Okay, like how I did this, how I did that, you can ask. Okay, also here you can choose many fonts that are available. Okay, as you can see, there are many fonts available. You can choose any one for whatever you feel like this is good for you. So let me choose some good font here. Let me change this. Okay, wait. So in the heading we will choose a subheading. Okay, so that we can use capitalize words like MACHE Michael Ramesh. Okay, so Ankur Warikoo, just the way founder chaiwala.com. Now that we have got this. Okay, just the same foundernearby.com. So we have just did this. Okay, now that we will decrease the size because it's overlapping. Michael face. Okay, now you can see better, right? Now we will bold this part, Michael Ramesh, bold. Okay, so just select the part and you will do this. Fine. So this part is sorted now. This part is sorted now, right? Also, we can, what we can do is you can select the elements. First, you have to select the canvas, and then you have to select the elements, and uh, increase it here. Increase it. Sorry, sorry. Okay. Let's move a little section this bit a bit over here. Okay, and then keep this image here. Okay, and now the hardest part of this creative is to how to you can design this part. Okay, this the background, the complete guide to starting up. Okay, and the rest everything is just you have to use icons and every a rectangle thing. Okay, learn how to pick the right business idea. So just add a sub heading, learn how to make the best. Just use this. Okay, and use Poppins. So I will use Poppins font here. Okay, and you can also like duplicate things if you want. Okay, so that you do not have to write learn how to make the best tea in the city. Okay, and we will make it bold. Okay, so what we will select all bold, and then we will change its color to yellow. Okay, now we can also use a font like this. Okay, so we will bold it. Fine. Let's and let's see, get your first 1,000 customers. Okay, so let us add this line as well. Let's find the tea addict in your city. Without doing any marketing. Okay, so I'm just using anything that is coming up to my mind. Okay, so it's totally okay. So this part is also done, right? So अभी तक कैसा फील हो रहा है, मतलब कैसा बन रहा है हमारा क्रिएटिव? How it is? Give me your response in the chat box. सो देखो, मैंने कुछ नहीं किया, मैं बस मैंने डिज़ाइन देखी और मैं उसी को रेप्लिकेट करता जा रहा हूँ। ठीक है, अपने हिसाब से जो मुझे चाहिए। ठीक है, तो यही चीज़ आपको भी करनी है। ठीक है, कुछ बहुत इजी होता है। ठीक है, तो थोड़ा बहुत बस आपको जानना पड़ेगा कि कैसे चीज़ें हो रही हैं और कैसे करनी है। ठीक है, तो अभी हमारे पास में ये वाला पार्ट अभी तक बाकी है, और इसको हम देखते हैं हम कैसे कर सकते हैं। ओके ओके ओके, गॉट इट गॉट इट। ओके, सो हम क्या करेंगे, हम एक येलो बॉक्स लेंगे फिर से। हम एक फिर से येलो बॉक्स लेंगे। ये इसको अगर येलो नहीं है तो येलो बना लेंगे, और क्या। ठीक है, तो उसको हम यहाँ से येलो कर लेंगे। ठीक है, और इसको यहाँ पर पूरा ऐसे प्लेस कर देंगे हम, क्योंकि अब थोड़ा सा ट्रिकी पार्ट आया। यहाँ थोड़ी सी क्रिएटिविटी लगी, हल्की सी लगेगी, ज़्यादा नहीं। देखो, क्रिएटिविटी कुछ नहीं है इसमें, बस हमें ये जानना है कि कौन सा एलिमेंट कहाँ प्लेस होगा, और उसको कौन पीछे रहेगा कौन आगे रहेगा। ठीक है, और उसी तरह से हमारा पूरा क्रिएटिव बनता जाएगा। ठीक है, अब हम देखते हैं कि हम ओके 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 ठीक है, अभी हम यहाँ पर हमें चाहिए पैरेललोग्राम चाहिए हमको। ठीक है, देखते हैं, हमें चाहिए एक पैरेललोग्राम लाइक दिस। और इसको भी हम कर देंगे वाइट। इसको कर देंगे हम वाइट, और फिर हम एक ढूंढेंगे ट्रायंगल। ठीक है, एक ट्रायंगल हमने ढूंढा यहाँ से, ये ट्रायंगल रहा हमारा। अब इस ट्रायंगल को हम कहाँ यूज करेंगे, यहाँ पे। ओके, और इस ट्रायंगल का कलर जो होगा हमारा थोड़ा सा डाउन होगा, ताकि लगे हमारा शेडो ही है। ठीक है, जस्ट सी दिस, थोड़ा बहुत बन रहा है हमारा जैसा हम चाहते हैं। ठीक है, इसको थोड़ा सा हम इसकी पोजीशन कर देंगे फॉरवर्ड। ओ सॉरी सॉरी सॉरी, तो एलिमेंट्स की पोजीशन हमें अपने हिसाब से रखनी है, हाँ, ताकि वो, हाँ ओके। अब इसको जो ये पैरेललोग्राम था हमारा, इसको हम डुप्लीकेट करेंगे यहाँ से, और इसको यहाँ पर लेके आएंगे, और इसको एक बार फ्लिप कर देंगे, क्योंकि ये दूसरी साइड के लिए है, राइट। और इसको हम यहाँ पर कर देंगे। सो क्या ये हमारा उसकी तरह लग रहा है जैसा हम चाहते थे? हाँ बिल्कुल लग रहा है। ठीक है, और हम इसको यहाँ पर कर देंगे, इसको हम चेंज कर देंगे, कुछ नाम दे देंगे। क्या नाम दिया इन्होंने, जैसे कि द कंप्लीट गाइड टू स्टार्टिंग अप। ओके, सो वी विल गिव दिस नेम, द कंप्लीट गाइड टू मास्टरी टी। ठीक है, तो हमने ये अपना नाम दिया अपने अपने हिसाब से, जो हमें समझ में आया। इसका हमने कलर दे दिया ब्लैक, और ये हमने यहाँ पर रख दिया। ठीक है, ये हो गया। ठीक है, तो ये पार्ट हमारा सॉर्टेड हो गया, लग रहा है एकदम सेम सेम लग रहा है, हाँ सेम लग रहा है। ठीक है, इसका फॉन्ट अगर हम कैपिटल कर दे तो और सेम लगेगा, जस्ट सी दिस। ठीक है, ये हो गया। अब हमें क्या करना है, अब हमें ये जो 3 पॉइंट्स हैं ये करना है। तो यहाँ पर हम लोग एलिमेंट टू सर्च करेंगे चेक मार्क। ठीक है, तो हमें जो अच्छा लगे यहाँ पर, जो भी आपको लगे कि हाँ ये अच्छा हो सकता है, तो फिर उसको सिलेक्ट कर लो, यहाँ पर आ जाओ, ऐसे कर लो। इसके बाद में ये चेकबॉक्स कैसा है, ब्लैक कलर है, और जो टिक मार्क है वो व्हाइट है। तो टिक मार्क को हम व्हाइट कर देंगे यहाँ से, और जो ग्रीन कलर है इसको हम ब्लैक कर देंगे। ठीक है, तो हमारा ये चीज़ भी बन गई। और इसी चीज़ को हम लोग 3 चाहिए हमको, 2 3। ठीक है, तो ये हमारे 3 चेकबॉक्स हो गए यहाँ पर। ओके, एंड फिर हम यहाँ पर एक इसको कॉपी कर लेते हैं पॉइंट कुछ लिखने के लिए। तो यहाँ पर हम लिख देते हैं, स्टेप 1 होगा हमारा बर्न दी, फॉर एग्जाम्पल बर्न दी स्टोव यूजिंग लाइटर। ठीक है, तो इसको इसका कलर हम कर देंगे ब्लैक। ठीक है, दूसरा हम इसको इसको दोबारा कॉपी करेंगे, यहाँ पर रखेंगे, दूसरा रखेंगे पुट सम वाटर टी जिंजर इन इन व्हाट, क्या इन बर्तन, बर्तन उसको क्या बोलेंगे इंग्लिश में हम, जो भगवाने को, एनीवन इन क्या बोले, पैन, या पैन, पैन पैन इज गुड, पैन थोड़ा एकदम राइट नहीं है बट ठीक है। ठीक है, दूसरा पॉइंट हो गया। तीसरा पॉइंट कर देते हैं, ऐड शुगर एज यू लाइक। ठीक है, अब देखो ये हम सबको एक ऐसा कर देते हैं, अगर हम 3 को सिलेक्ट कर लें, ठीक है, तीनों बुलेट पॉइंट को सिलेक्ट कर लें, और यहाँ पोजीशन पे जाएं और हम कर दें टाइडी अप। तो टाइडी अप से क्या होगा कि ये जो चीज़ें हैं पूरी एक तरह से सेम हो जाएंगी, मतलब जो भी इनका बीच का स्पेस है वो सेम हो जाएगा। ठीक है, और हम इसको अब हम अलाइन कर देते हैं। ठीक है, थोड़ा सा बड़ा कर देते हैं। ठीक है, जब भी आपको दिक्कत हो तो आप जूम करके काम कर लो, कोई दिक्कत नहीं इसमें। हाँ, सो ये हो गया, ये हो गया, ये हो गया। ठीक है, अब हमको बस सिंपल सा एक लेना है हमको रेक्टेंगल। ये रेक्टेंगल ले लेते हैं, ठीक है। यहाँ पर हमने रेक्टेंगल लिया और इसका कलर कर देते हैं हम यहाँ येलो कर देते हैं, ठीक है। इसको डुप्लीकेट कर देते हैं, इसको कर देते हैं एनरोल नाउ। अगर हम इस बॉक्स पे क्लिक करें, अगर हम चाहें तो इसको सेंटर पे पोजीशन पे लाके या सेंटर पे क्लिक करो, सेंटर पे आ जाएगा, ठीक है। जस्ट देख लो सेंटर पे आ गया। तो हम लोग को अलाइनमेंट यहीं से कर देना है सारा का सारा, कि अगर कुछ भी अलाइन नहीं हो रहा है सही से तो पूरा अलाइनमेंट यहाँ से कर दो, ठीक है। थोड़ा सा और करते हैं, थोड़ा और अच्छा अलाइनमेंट कर देते हैं हम। अलाइनमेंट का बहुत ध्यान रखना है, ठीक है। तो बहुत ज़रूरी है अलाइनमेंट का ध्यान रखना। और यहाँ पर देखो हमारे पास में गाइड्स आते रहते हैं, ठीक है। कि अगर आपको मान लेते हैं तीनों एक बार में सिलेक्ट छोटे करने हैं, बड़े करने हैं, तो वो भी कर सकते हो, ठीक है। ये हमारा पूरा का पूरा क्रिएटिव बन गया, ठीक है। अब इसका हम नाम दे देते हैं MIC कर देते हैं, कुछ भी कर देते हैं MIC, ठीक है। इसको हम यहाँ से कर लेते हैं डाउनलोड, ठीक है। मुझे तो ये सही लग रहा है, ठीक है। अभी अभी मुझे एकदम सेम लग रहा है। ये हमने सेंटर भी कर दिया इसको, एवरीथिंग इज फाइन। डाउनलोड नाउ पे कर देते हैं। इस इमेज को कॉपी, इस इमेज को भी यहाँ से डाउनलोड कर लेते हैं, ठीक है। और हम अभी क्या करते हैं यहाँ, एक जस्ट सेकंड, ओके। जस्ट सेकंड गाइस, हाँ। Okay, so this is the credit that we have created, and this is where from we have taken the inspiration. So how do you like this? Tell me in the comments. So we have replicated a same design just like this, just by seeing how the things are in the our creative and that creative. Fine. So okay, so this is so what I have see, I have not done anything very great. Okay, this is within 30 minutes I have created this good creative. Okay, this is like not I'm not a professional designer or something, but still be using your creativity and just using like how you can think in perspective of design. Okay, so I built this scratch from for you guys. Okay, so this is good. Okay. Okay, so let me now. So this is the process of creating graphics on social media. You just have to like if we go to Instagram, okay, and if you scroll, just see this. Thinking about starting a retail business. Okay, so this is a carousel post. Okay, so in carousel post, what happened is this similarity is in two images. Okay, so I have a very detailed tutorial on this topic as well on my YouTube channel. Okay, I will share that link in the group itself, and or you can also go to my YouTube channel and search for this video. Okay, go to my video section. Okay, and there's a video like how to create smooth Instagram carousel post. Okay, so this is the video. Okay, that is this is a 12-minute video, and you guys can watch it, and then you can create these type of carousel posts. Okay, very easily and very awesomely. Okay, see, creating these creative very is now is the like piece of cake. Okay, you just have to choose a image in the background and do some text and highlight every part, some part, and just you can also create videos using Canva. Okay, so I guess now guys, you guys can create these kind of creative, yes or no? Yes or no? in the, you can let me know in the chat box. So all these kind of creators can easily be created using Canva, right? Okay. Okay. Okay, so guys, I guess I have covered like few things that how you can create good creatives. Okay, in the starting, do not try to create from scratch. Always go to your Instagram feed, take some screenshot, okay, and then start creating the creatives. Okay, so let me show you like few of my designs. Okay, see this this creative is also created by me and using only Canva only. This is the, see the simplicity of this creative. Okay, this background. Okay, just for this I will search only blue background. Okay, if you want to find some background, just search on photos blue background. Okay, so whatever your key term is, just go to the element section and photo section and search that keyword. Okay, and you will get lot of images, lot of ideas. Okay, lot of inspiration. uh, okay, like in the past, like I've created like thousands of not thousand creative, but hundreds of creatives I've created. Like see this, uh, see this creative is for a stock market client. Okay, so I used to create I create this creative for them. Okay, so what you can do is you can just create a template on Canva. Okay, you can also sell it. You can also sell Canva templates. Okay, people actually buy it. Okay, so as you can see, this creative is also like you can easily create it. Okay, so this see this creative Navratri advertise ad. This is the one that I created for a client. Just see this. What I have done, I have done a picture here, then a circle. I have the dietitian I have pulled out his here, and all the text part is right here, right? So you can use variants of creative the same, duplicate it and create it. Okay. Mm. So sir, just see this. This is the creative that I've created for this one of my client. This is a carousel post. This is the creative that you are actually seeing here, and I will show you this creative on the actual post. Okay. Okay. So this is the creative that I've created, and there are a lot of elements are in here. Okay, so let me show you its real creative where it is published. So right now I'm not handling this client. Okay, she is managing herself. Just see this. This is the creative that this is the five myth busting facts to understand dandruff. Okay, so just see this. I have like fetched this girl images, removed the background, and used some kind of heading. This element is there. Okay, bullet point, and see this. If you see this post on Instagram, it will look wonderful. Let me share you this link with you all. Okay. So I have shared this with you, and you can go to Instagram and see this. And there are many creatives that I've created for clients, and that's yeah, because I have used Pro Elements. Because I have used Pro Elements of Canva, that's why it's a watermark shine. So if you are a student and you have a .edu email address, then you can get Canva for Canva Pro for free. Okay, otherwise you have to purchase Canva Pro because there are certain limitation in Canva free account. But still, with your creativity and elements, you can create good creatives. Okay, so there are two versions of Canva, like Canva free and Canva Pro. I use Canva Pro version. Okay, you cannot get it for free. Okay, you can only get it for free if you have a .edu email address. Okay, .edu email address. For example, if you are in college, if you are in college, then you must have got an email address like this: krantesh@met.edu. Fine. if you have this kind of email address, okay, then you can apply for Canva for free. Okay, you just have to go to Canva education. Okay, then you will get Canva for free. You have to sign up with that email address .edu. Okay, otherwise it's like 1,000 rupees or something. Canva, let's see the Canva pricing. Okay, so this is the pricing, 8,900 rupees per year, and if you pay monthly, then it is 999 per month. Okay, so you cannot get it for free as of now. Okay, but if you want someone pro account, they can add you in their team, and you can create accounts. Okay, but start with free elements and explore all the options and everything. Okay, then you can do good. Yes. There's one more way. What's that way? You can unmute. You can unmute Smita if you know something that you can share with others people. Okay, Smita, can you just unmute yourself and explain, like, if you go to GitHub and submit college?
Yes, sir. There's one site GitHub called, and if you
Mm-hmm.
submit your any college proof or some school ID proof, it will
Mm-hmm.
take some time, but it will give you the thing. This you will get the subscription of this Canva.
Okay, awesome. So no, you cannot use APK for Canva. There is no APK because it's an online thing, right? That's why you cannot use Canva APK. So, and also you cannot design out on your mobile phone. Okay. So Asmita has given this tip that if you go to this website github.com, where people like push their code. Okay, if I show you my GitHub account, this is my GitHub account. Okay, and so whatever she has mentioned that you can do that. Okay, and if GitHub
Yes, sir.
allows.
It's because it's given there for this educational purpose only. If we
Hmm,
submit this college ID or something educational proof,
hmm,
then they will give it. It will take some time, but it will give in
hmm.
within 6 months or something like that. But we'll get that.
Yeah, but you still have time to use Canva free. Okay, there is still a lot you can do with Canva free. I have done a lot with Canva free. Okay, no issues in that. Okay, do not see. It is never about pro or what machinery you have. It is only about your creativity. Okay, it was never. You can also design using PowerPoint. Okay, so keep that in mind. Never fall for the trap that you do not have that thing, and because of that you're not able to create this thing. Okay, never ever. Okay, so is there any question related to graphic designing or something? Okay, so always make sure that whenever you create graphics, there's a visibility, there's a readability. Okay, so that people can read if the text is written. Okay, so all these points should come to you intuitively. Okay, so whenever you design more, you will get all these things. Okay, so what I suggest you to design more. Okay, and for today's assignment, what you have to do is you have to go to Instagram. Okay, you have to go to your Instagram feed. Okay, and whatever feed that creative that you like. Okay, and it should be not like very easy, just like this, that you have to use an image and thus put the text. Okay, so it should be like uh, for example, let it like this. Okay, if you can create something like this creative. Okay, so find something like this, take a screenshot of this creative and the creative that you will create on Canva. Okay, take both the like take the screenshot and the one which you will make, download it, and then post both in the groups. Okay, so what you have to do is you have to design 3 creatives like this. Okay, okay, you have to design 3 creatives like this only. Okay, so you can just do it, right? So it should be not very easy, it should be like a little bit complicated. Okay, it should not be like just putting a text over an image. Okay, so don't do that. Mhm. Also see my carousel post video on YouTube, on my YouTube channel. Okay, so that you can create Instagram carousel post as well. Okay, so assignment is clear, guys. If anyone has any question, they can ask by unmuting themselves. And you have to create 3 creatives. Okay, 3 creatives and submitted by tomorrow 6 p.m. All right, and if anyone has faced any problem or something, they can ask in the group itself. Okay, I hope you like this today's session, and I hope you get some perspective about how designing the things work. Just see this, you can easily create this kind of creatives. Okay, and on Instagram, you can, yeah, yes, you can write the same thing, or if you can come up with your own ideas or your content, that is also fine. Okay, so try to bring your own ideas. Okay, so in this way it will be more like it is your personalized thing, you have created this. Okay, and just that. Okay, all right. And also, like, please share your feedback in the WhatsApp group. Okay, so that people who are not joining in can see the what they have missed, and also the other team members can also know that you are actually learning something. Okay, share your experience in the WhatsApp group, like what did you learn, how did I explain everything. Okay, all right, people. Uh, if you guys can want to leave, you can leave. If you have any question, you can ask. Okay, so as you can see, every creative on Instagram these days are like that only. Okay, and you guys can easily create or replicate things right now. Okay, all right, welcome everyone, you can leave the session now. Thank you so much. Thank you, Chabni. Thank you all for listening to me. All right.